Hey guys, we are thrilled to have you back at Travel Sauce, where we are dedicated to being your ultimate travel companion. Today we invite you to embark on a breathtaking journey through the captivating French Riviera. Are you curious about the wonders this region holds? Rest assured, we have all the answers you need. Stay tuned till the very end of this video. French Riviera, also referred to as the Côte d'Azur, this splendid region lies gracefully along the southeastern coast of France, captivating all who visit with its irresistible charm. From the lively city of Nice to the opulent Principality of Monaco, this coastal paradise presents a wealth of breathtaking landscapes, cultural treasures, and of course, a blissful Mediterranean way of life. Number 1. Nice, the heart of the Riviera. This stunning city captures the essence of the Riviera with its captivating promenade along the Baie des Anges, the delightful old town known as Vieux Nice, alongside world-class art museums including the renowned Marc Chagall National Museum. 2. Cannes, a glamorous city renowned for hosting its prestigious film festival. It's a charming destination that exudes elegance. This delightful city is celebrated for its opulent boutiques, stunning shorelines, and iconic Palais de Festivals. 3. Monaco. Stroll through the land of luxury. Imagine a place where extravagant casinos, enchanting Princess Palace, and the glitzy Monaco Grand Prix reign supreme. This charming principality, tucked away on the French Riviera, is renowned for its opulence and elegance. 4. Antibes. Discover the enchanting old town, wander through the fascinating historic ramparts, and immerse yourself in the art world at the renowned Picasso Museum. Antibes has it all, a delightful destination that promises a delightful journey into picturesque scenes and captivating history. 5. Saint-Tropez. The glamorous playground is loved by the jet set. Saint-Tropez is a world-famous destination known for its stunning coastline, opulent yachts, and buzzing nightlife that never sleeps. Picture yourself basking on beautiful beaches by day and indulging in vibrant parties after sunset. With its irresistible charm, Saint-Tropez has it all for those seeking a luxurious getaway. 6. Eze, a charming medieval village nestled atop a hill, offering awe-inspiring 360-degree views of the gorgeous Mediterranean Sea. 7. Menton. Known for its stunning gardens, Menton is the easternmost town on the French Riviera. Visit the beautiful Jardin Serre de la Madone and the Jardin Botanique Exotique Valrome, and make sure you don't miss the Basilica of Saint Michael the Archangel. 8. Villefranche-Jumet. This picturesque town offers a beautiful bay, colorful buildings, and a citadel with stunning views. Enjoy the beach and take a stroll along the waterfront. The French Riviera is at its most delightful from late spring through early autumn, boasting pleasant weather and plenty of warm, sunny days. To steer clear of the bustling crowds, it's best to plan a visit in May, June, or September instead of the peak tourist months of July and August. By doing so, you can relish a more enjoyable experience, complete with comfortable conditions and fewer fellow visitors around. Now let's move on to the things you can do while in this paradise. Beach time. Take a breather and soak up the sheer beauty of the Riviera's breathtaking beaches. Feel the calmness as you stroll along the iconic Promenade des Anglais in Nice or unwind on the sandy shores of Plague de la Crozette in Cannes. Cultural exploration. Don't miss out on the chance to discover the rich artistic and cultural legacy found at captivating museums such as the Fondation Marcht in Saint-Paul-de-Vence and the Renoir Museum in Cagnes-sur-Mer. Gastronomic delights, the savory and sweet treats. Prepare your taste buds to experience the taste of genuine French food at delightful neighborhood restaurants. Whether you'll be treating yourself to a fancy feast in Cannes or uncovering the mouth-watering local delights in picturesque villages, get ready to savor the irresistible flavors of authentic French cuisine. Outdoor adventures. You can choose to hike or bike amidst the gorgeous landscape of the Alpes Maritimes. Alternatively, you could enjoy thrilling activities like sailing, windsurfing, or snorkeling in the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean. Wait, there's more. Shopping time. Look for top-notch fashion. Explore the fashionable scenes of Cannes and Nice. If you want to uncover unique artisanal products and souvenirs instead, then head over to the vibrant markets and charming boutiques. And of course, how could we possibly overlook the unforgettable experiences that are bound to create lasting memories on your vacation on the mesmerizing French Riviera. Cannes Film Festival. The Cannes Film Festival is a dazzling event that takes place each year in May, drawing in celebrities and passionate film lovers from all corners of the globe. Everyone comes together to celebrate the magic of cinema in this prestigious gathering. The Nice Carnival. It is one of the most vibrant and exciting winter festivals in the French Riviera and Europe. It takes place annually in the city of Nice, typically in February, and is a celebration of art, music, and the rich culture of the region. Monaco Grand Prix. Get ready for an exhilarating race as the legendary Formula One event zooms into action in the enchanting month of May. The Monaco Grand Prix, absolutely iconic in the world of racing, is a spectacle you won't want to miss. Isn't it thrilling? Hold on a second. Have you thought about transportation? Well, fret not. We've got you covered with the various convenient transportation options available for you to choose from. When it comes to getting around the Riviera, convenience is the name of the game. International airports in Nice and Monaco make traveling to and from the Riviera a breeze. Whether you're jetting in from distant lands or hopping on a short flight, these airports have got you covered. Need to explore the region by rail? Look no further. The Riviera boasts efficient train services that will whisk you away to your desired destinations with ease. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the picturesque views along the way. For those who prefer the freedom of the open road, the Riviera offers an extensive road network. Whether you have a rented car or your trusty vehicle, you can easily navigate the region's highways and byways. Exploring major cities on the Riviera is made simple with the availability of local buses and trams. Hop on board and discover all the hidden gems without the hassle of parking or worrying about directions. So whether you're an avid adventurer or a laid-back traveler, rest assured that the Riviera's transportation options have got you covered. Enjoy a hassle-free journey filled with incredible experiences. Hey, what about accommodation? When it comes to finding a cozy place to stay on the French Riviera, your options are endless. You can pamper yourself in luxurious resorts or opt for unique boutique hotels. If you prefer a more charming experience, there are plenty of delightful bed and breakfasts available. And if you want the flexibility of a home away from home, why not consider renting a vacation property? The choice is yours to make. And there you have it. This brings us to the conclusion of our video. The French Riviera is a delightful mix of breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and opulence. Whether you're seeking a romantic escapade, an exciting adventure, or a touch of a glamorous life, the Côte d'Azur has something extraordinary to cater to every wanderer. If you found this video helpful and interesting, would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to show your appreciation by giving that like button a gentle tap and subscribing for more incredible content like this. To make sure you never miss any updates, simply tap the notification bell icon. We don't want you to miss out on anything exciting. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, happy exploring.